Imagine a robot vacuum so smart it could navigate your home like an autonomous car. Introducing the Roborock Q Revo Slim, a game-changer in the world of smart home technology. This isn't just any vacuum cleaner, it's a highly advanced cleaning device equipped with a mapping algorithm comparable to those used in self-driving vehicles. The Q Revo Slim is designed for precision. Its mapping system uses a blend of advanced sensors and AI to meticulously scan your home, creating a real-time map that it uses to navigate effortlessly. It doesn't just memorize the layout, it adapts to changes, making it one of the most intelligent and versatile vacuums on the market. But what truly sets it apart is its sleek and slim design. Unlike bulky models, the Q Revo Slim easily slips under low-clearance furniture, reaching places that other vacuums can't. Its compact form factor doesn't compromise on power either. This vacuum delivers impressive suction and cleaning performance, handling everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair. One of its standout features is its ability to distinguish between different floor types. Whether it's hardwood, tile, or carpet, the Q Revo Slim adjusts its cleaning settings automatically, ensuring optimal performance on every surface. Additionally, it boasts advanced obstacle avoidance, meaning it won't get stuck on cords or small objects scattered around your home. The Roborock Q Revo Slim is more than just a cleaning appliance, it's a smart home assistant that brings convenience, efficiency, and innovation into your daily life. If you've been searching for a vacuum that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek, modern design, the Q Revo Slim might just be your perfect match. Roborock Q Revo Slim, Smart Vacuum 2024, Best Robot Vacuum, Autonomous Vacuum, Smart Home Devices, AI-Powered Vacuum, Obstacle Avoidance Vacuum, Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair, Compact Vacuum Cleaner, Roborock Review, Advanced Mapping Vacuum, Smart Cleaning Gadgets, Self-Driving Vacuum Technology, Roborock vs. Roomba, Home Automation, Smart Home Technology, Best Smart Home Devices, Innovative Home Cleaning, Futuristic Vacuum, in Home Appliances, Best Vacuum 2024, Robot Vacuum Features, Smart Floor Cleaner. Roborock Q Revo Slim, the vacuum that thinks like a self-driving car.